Hi there.
So,
To be frank, I know that you are not meant to be alone. That there'll be eyes looking at you.
I'm not interested in all this your big drama. I value ego than style.
Hi there. You are a beautiful lady, to be frank. I understand that we are strangers, but I couldn't help it. In fact, when I saw you in there while working, I found out that you are incredible, loving, and captivating.
God have mercy upon us.
Not to bore you, I think I don't need to beat about the bush. Let me just have your contact so we can get talking, so we can know ourselves.
No.
But you are stunning. I mean, you be like Pekin with a full pot of soup.
Let me so.
To be frank, I know that you are not meant to be alone. I must say that there'll be eye looking at you. And it's not a bad one, but I tell you, it's I, Faxyman, only my eyes is meant to behold you. Royalty. And it's Faxyman alone that can treat you as a royalty that you are. I mean it.
You joking?
I'm glad you can see that. But I am not interested in all this your big drama. I value ego than style. As you can see, I have documents outlined with different stages of my kind of relationship with cost.
Cost? I just want us to get talking, exchange contact so to know ourselves better. And maybe we'll know where we can take it to from that point.
Let me so. So you want to use me as one of your test subjects, right? Do you think I'm one of those unsuspecting girls?
You joking?
As I mentioned earlier, my height don't see. So as I mentioned before, I have the list here and the initial stage. The talking stage has a price tag of 20 million naira. Take it or leave it. But I can do 19.8 million.
Run! Even my mama, when I stress, no even task me like this.
God have mercy upon us.
Kakabu, tell you. Faxyman, so now go. Hear what?